So student, these figures somewhere are attracting. So let's choose this figure. Okay, this is question number 10. ABC is an equilateral triangle of side 14 centimeter. This is a triangle, equilateral triangle. That means all sides are equal to 14 centimeter. And on its one side, a semicircle is shown. This is semicircle. Find the parameter and area of the figure. So area of the figure is not a big task because first you will find out the area of this equilateral triangle, and you have a direct formula, that is under root 3 by 4 a square. And area of semicircle also you can find out pi r square by 2. Now parameter, when it comes to find out the parameter, most students doing this mistake, that parameter means what, sum of all the boundaries. So what they are doing, 14 plus 14 plus 14 plus this arc. By this arc, what will be the parameter of semicircle? Circumference is what, 2 pi r of a whole circle. So semicircle will be what, 2 pi r by 2, 2 will cancel out, so pi r. Okay, so this is the mistake. Why you are adding this 14? You know, not supposed to add this 14 because they're asking about the parameter. Parameter of this whole figure means this length plus this length, not this length. Okay. So here this just take care, don't add this. Okay, 14 plus 14 plus pi r. So it's done now. Look, have on question number 12. I'm just giving you here an oral hint so that you can do easily. Find the area of the shaded region. So yeah, okay, it's also very easy. Why? Area of this whole square and cut this circle. Suppose you have a page, and if you will cut this circle, then what you will get? Only this shaded portion. So area of this whole square minus area of this circle. This capsule one question is very good and is interesting also. So let's solve this question. Question number 13. Let me make figure. Don't worry, I will show you. And it's done. So this is the figure. Okay, in this is given 50 meter and is given 30.8 meter. So this hole is 30.8 meter. So half of 30.8 meter, that means 15.4. So 15.4 will be this radius. Okay, radius. So they ask about the parameter. Yeah, area and parameter. So area is very easy. For how? Area of this two semicircle plus area of this rectangle. Now again same thing with the parameter. When you will finding out the parameter, so parameter means what? This 50, this line plus this arc, this is semicircle, means circumference of semicircle, that is pi r, plus again this line 50 plus again this semicircle pi r. Okay, don't include this inner line because parameter means outside. So 50 plus 22 upon 7 r, you know that it is 15.4 plus 50 plus 22 upon 7 into 15.4, and then you will solve it and you will get. Similarly for area also, area of the semicircle, area of these two semicircle and plus area of this rectangle. So this is how you will do this whole exercise 34.4.